this sentence yesterday.
That was loud.
An inequality is a mathematical sentence that compares expressions. Okay? Now, what we are going to do today, okay? Based off of what our warm-up was, what do you think we're going to do?
What?
I said based on our warm-up, what do you think we're going to do with inequalities?
Label.
Label them?
But if you
Like
think
greater
of
than, like Wordle in the right category.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
We're gonna play with it?
Yes.
Like the games?
Oh, we're not going to play games.
No, like on the warm up.
Okay, so how about not the computer warm-up, but our little hand-up, pair-up warm-up?
I thought that was from like last.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
what we're doing?
So all we're doing is changing the equals to an inequality, and we're going to solve them, okay? So let's remember that when I say inverse operation, that just means that we're doing the undo, right? And you guys are really good at those undo operations, right? And you showed me that not only in your test, but just now in our warm-up. Okay. So, we are going to use our inverse operations to, in the words of Jared Pyle, isolate our variable. I love that you used that word. That really made me happy, Jared. Hey? Just like when we solve an equation. Okay? We are going to get the variable by itself, just like we would with an equation. Now,
He said it first.
Charles, what is the inverse of subtraction? Addition. And Marius, what's the inverse of addition? Subtraction. Okay, Austin, I need your body facing this way, not towards Marius, please. Hey, now, let's remember our open circle and closed circle because we also are going to have to graph these, okay? If our number is a solution, is it going to be open or closed? Okay. And if our number is not a solution, we're going to have an open circle. Okay. Okay, you know what? We're going to skip the fill in the blanks for these. You need it. Hey. Okay, what I want you to do is I want you to write down what you think the answer to this inequality is right now. Like solve it. Solve it like you think it should be solved, even though I haven't taught you yet. Okay, now here's the deal. If you just have 3, that's not enough. I was okay with that with an equation. I'm not okay with it anymore because 3 doesn't describe a greater than or less than, okay? So what I appreciated is I walked around and I saw some people draw the line down the inequality to make sure that they kept things on the left versus the right, okay? I then saw that some people were subtracting 2 from both sides. Did you do that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Why did you subtract 2 from both sides?
Because it was added to G's.
Okay, G plus 2. We wanted to undo that addition, so we subtracted. So over here we have 3, okay? But we still have our inequality sign. And since these canceled, we're left with G. So this is your answer right here. Okay? If you don't have the G is less than, please write it in with your 3. Okay. Jackson, what do I do to graph it?
The open circle on 3.
The open circle on 3. Got it?
Draw lines through everything left.
Okay, so Jackson is saying that we are going to color to the left. Okay, Taylor, why do you agree that it's to the left?
I don't know. I just looked at the thing and then the sticks and said the arrows.
Okay, Andrew?
I just go which way the arrow goes.
Okay, so let's talk about why. I know, I'm just waiting. Let's talk about why the arrow trick works. You know that?
Yeah, I do.
I do.
Okay, tell us.
Because anything, if it's going this way, you just do it color than anything else.
Okay, Andrew?
The arrow's pointing to the left. Just put your line to the left.
I know, but why is that? Jared?
This is right.
It says less than 3, so the arrow's pointing to the number side of less than 3.
Okay, to the left, our numbers get smaller. To the right, our numbers get bigger. So less than means we have to go left on the number line. Yes.
And it says it's greater than G, so it can't be anything but G. I mean, 3.
Okay, so let's try this. If I plug in 4, is 4 plus 2 less than 5?
Yeah. No.
No, so it's a good thing that we didn't color it. If I plug in 0, is 0 plus 2 less than 5?
Yes.
Okay, good, I colored it. It works in our inequality. Okay.
Wait.
Okay, without graphing them, I would like you to solve 1, 2, and 3 on the next page. Don't graph them, just solve for x. Please. Okay, so go ahead and write down. Do you remember? Okay, go ahead and write that down.
Greater than or equal to.
Okay, well, you got it.
That makes no sense. Maybe I might be slow. I might be really slow. Oh, yeah, never mind.
We're going to be subtracting.
I'm so tired.
Is it true? So, to dear, if you do that and I walk by, I could, and then you'd have to carry me to the nurse's office. How many was that?
It's okay.
Would this not be 9?
No, you don't add 5. You just add 1.
Thank you for the apology.
1 is a new variable. Sorry, I like adding 5, so I put 5 in there.
Okay, Logan, what did you do in number 1? Okay, Logan says he added 1 to both sides to undo the subtraction, so he has x is less than or equal to 5. Do you agree with Logan? Okay, because Logan is right. Okay, so now Carter, I don't remember how to graph. You're going to have to tell me what to do.
Put it on the 5.
Put what on the 5?
The number 5.
Do what? What do I do with it?
Put a circle.
Okay.
Now,
Okay?
is that gonna be open or closed?
And go to the left.
Is that gonna be open or closed?
That's how I did it.
Oh, and it's going to be closed. Why were you pestering him about it being closed? What gave that away?
It has the equal to.
It has that equal to. Okay, so then Taylor, what did you do to solve number 2? All right, Taylor subtracted 3 to undo the addition. So she got x is greater than or equal to negative 3? Okay.
I didn't do anything.
Marius.
Bro. What? I was giving my chair.
I know, but just ignore her.
I didn't say anything to her. Oh, God. Also, I was giving my chair.
That's something.
Well,
Marius, I don't know how to graph this. Can you walk me through it?
which one? Number 2?
Mm-hmm.
Put a closed circle on -3, then go right.
Is Marius correct?
Yep.
Okay. So then in number 3, Macy, what did you do to both sides?
Subtracted.
Macy subtracted 6 to undo the addition, and she got x is less than 2. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Elizabeth, talk me through how to graph this one.
Put a circle on the 2 and then make it go towards the left.
All right, is she correct?
I'm not.
Yes.
Okay, now she didn't have me color in the circle. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is okay because there was no equal to with the inequality. Now, I saved number 4, and Kira, you're going to help me talk about why we saved number 4 for last. Okay? Kira already solved it too, and her and Ella had a nice discussion that we're going to talk about. Okay? So, Kira, what did you do to both sides? So, Kira added 3 to both sides to undo the subtraction. And she got 4 is less than x, and she got really excited. But Ella was like, no, you're not done.
How was that for myself?
Oh, what?
I did the dirty. Never mind.
Okay. Why is Ella saying, Kira, you're not done? Carter?
Because it used to be the other way.
Okay, we need to rewrite. So I'm going to flip-flop where x and 4 are. And then where does my inequality need to open towards?
Towards the X.
Towards the x. So we need to write x is greater than 4 so that we can put our open circle at 4 and go to the left. Right, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the right.